So let me show you how you can buy your traffic from any website like Support Geeks, Tabula, or any other platform. So let me show you how you can post job here and how to drive traffic from here. Uh, to maintain, you have to follow some rules. To get to don't get any ad limit. So first of all, let's see some post here that other guide already posted. You can see that so many blogger have been posted here. So let me show you uh, this one. So it is what is expected from workers, and let's see this clear browser cookies. First open private browser window, then go to visit internet linking website, click here, and here you can see that let me show you how what did he send this link. And sorry, I have to connect a VPN to open the link. uh, Let me connect it and do it. In Bangladesh, Bitly link is not supported, so we used any VPN page. Let me search, and now this site will discuss global news. Welcome to UK. Uh, he is showing that this specific title you have to find, and you can also do this like, and he said click here, click here, there, and he wants this keyword. This keyword post his website keyword post is this, and he this is let me investment, and this is his post that he want to visit, and that workers have to visit, and you can see that he set up everything here, and you also do that, and now scroll down, and now follow this, and they have to find code, and they will get this amount, and you will get 0.20 dollar minimum. And let me show you my some job post here. So now you can see that uh, I have submitted so many taxes here, sorry, post, and the and the worker, here you can see the worker submit their text, and that in the um, job post required proof text. So we can buy through this support geeks, traffic from support geeks Tapula, like this. So how you can post job, and here you can see that you can select any specific country like Canada to get high CPC, United States, and in the sorry, you can just copy paste like other did SEO promote content in English. Uh, Let me show you something. Your IP doesn't. Oh, sorry. They will VPN. They will not be do this job. So first of all, if copy their job uh, like this requirement, and I have to give you some tricks. If you speak any keyword not ranked, you can drive this traffic fast to your Facebook profile, and like this Facebook profile in your post, and there you will uh, post any your URL, like my elements for you. Just copy paste this and post here, and in your job post, like well, just tell them to post, first click on the link. First they will go to your Facebook account, and here they will see this link, and they will click here, and Google will recognize this is a social link, and social link will not be any invalid click or bot traffic or be account. It will be safe, and you can also drive like Twitter, and that's how you will get organic social traffic. um, and this method will work 100%, no ad limit or any AdSense issue. uh, uh, Ads limit come if you directly give your site URL or any like this site, or everyone do this, like everyone give this URL like this. Don't do this. First, if you have any specific post that already ranked, you can just give this keyword to her, and they will find keyword and everything. If you have any like doubt how to uh, find jobs, post job here, you can search this how to post jobs in the support geeks or tabula. You will find many job post, how to post job video, and they will teach you, and that's how you can buy traffic or get social traffic. And let's move on our next topic.